Awesome. Thank you, Greg. Hey, everybody. My name is Tyson Konofsky. I'm the CEO of AutoCloud.
And I'm Evelyn Latour, and I'm our Chief Product Officer.
So after spending years in the trenches leading cloud migrations for banks, our team has built a cloud development platform that helps companies in regulated industries decrease the time it takes to get their applications running on the cloud down from weeks or months to just a few minutes. And in 2023, every company should be leveraging the cloud to stay competitive, but it's impossible to do without the right expertise. And then hiring and retaining good cloud engineers is difficult because they're expensive, and they quickly become bottlenecks for software delivery since they're so overworked. Because of this, you need to put the right tooling in place to support them and multiply their efforts. So today, we're going to demonstrate how AutoCloud can help your teams get products to market up to 70% faster with fewer security mistakes and much lower cloud costs by empowering your developers to easily generate infrastructure as code, regardless of expertise. So let's take a look at how this works. Evelyn?
So let's say that I'm a cloud engineer at a regional bank called Finovate Bank. Before AutoCloud, I was constantly bogged down with requests for cloud services by developers. But with AutoCloud, I've centralized all of my expertise by creating a catalog of cloud workload blueprints. So now anyone at my company can use these to deploy services without bothering me or my ops team, and I can sleep well at night knowing they're secure and properly configured. So let's say that Tyson's an application developer at our bank. He's built an AI-powered customer intelligence platform for targeting users with a new credit card offering. We don't have a blueprint for this yet, so let's see how easy it is to make one. So I'll just click New Blueprint here, and then I'll select AWS, since that's where we typically host apps like these. Then I'll provide a name and a description for this blueprint so that users like Tyson know how to use it and what it's for. And then I'll decide what cloud services should be a part of this blueprint by selecting the appropriate Terraform modules. We can pull from AutoCloud's marketplace or our company's private GitHub repository. And I know we'll want to use Amazon's Elastic Container Service to host an app like this. So I'm going to add the modules that I know are necessary so that whoever uses this blueprint doesn't need to worry that anything is missing. OK, so I've got my 3 modules here now. And we can move on. And on this next screen, we can customize this blueprint so that Tyson will see this as a form. We can update descriptions that help him understand how to fill out specific variables. We can provide default values, validations to make sure that what he deploys is in line with all of our bank's policies. We can also choose whether or not we even want to allow him to edit certain variables so he doesn't accidentally create new security vulnerabilities. So I'll accept these defaults, and I'll go through the next 2 modules the same way, and then all we need to do is click Publish, and now this new blueprint is available for Tyson in our company's IEC catalog.
So Evelyn, just to recap, you've given me, the app developer, the ability to take my AI application and put it on AWS myself without messing anything up, all without bothering you.
Yep, that's right. I've set sensible defaults, and I've abstracted away all of the complexity that you don't need to worry about.
Awesome. Well, let's go use it. So here I am in AutoCloud with the blueprints that I have access to. And here's the one that Evelyn just published for my AI app. Let's use it to get my app to the cloud. So as we can see here, there's just a handful of fields for me to fill out. And all we have to do is select an environment. We'll stick with non-prod, and then give it a name. Let's call it AI Customer App. I'm going to take a look here. Looks good. Click Next. If I'm curious, I can now review all the configuration this generates. Looks good. So I'm going to click Submit. And then under the hood, all the best practices that we have as a company around compliance, around security, around governance, they're automatically applied, and the code is automatically generated for me and shipped to the right places so it can be deployed to the cloud. And let's take a look over here. And as we can see, we have a pull request against GitHub, our company's source control, for this new infrastructure as code workload ready to be deployed to the cloud in just a matter of seconds.
Great. So now Tyson has deployed a new application with best practices via infrastructure as code, or IAC. Unfortunately, the rest of our public cloud assets weren't created in this way. They were manually provisioned, so they aren't being tracked with IAC. However, with AutoCloud's reverse Terraform feature, we can fix this by instantly codifying our existing cloud assets. Here's how it works. AutoCloud has scanned all of our live cloud resources and displayed them here. We can see their IAC status, so we know which resources weren't created in the proper way, those that are unmanaged. And we can also see security and compliance issues that we might want to fix before codifying them. Then, Tyson can simply select whatever cloud resources weren't created with IAC, click Generate Terraform, and then all those resources are instantly codified and ready to be checked into source control.
Okay, so Ev, to recap again, without reverse Terraform, your entire ops team would be spending thousands of hours to writing code to manually convert these existing cloud resources into infrastructure as code. Is that right?
That's right. With AutoCloud, it now takes one person a few minutes to achieve the same outcome.
That's absolutely amazing. And in the last 7 minutes, we've also created this brand new infrastructure as code blueprint that eliminates the possibility of security mistakes and decreases our time to market down from weeks or months to just a few minutes in order to save us, as a regional bank, approximately $50,000 of development costs.
Yep. And these tools also ensure that we can properly scale cloud usage within our organization while avoiding common mistakes like security misconfigurations, wasted spend from unused cloud resources, and manual provisioning that slows delivery and destroys visibility. So that's AutoCloud. Once again, I'm Evelyn Latour, here with Tyson Konofsky. Please come see us at our booth if you'd like to learn more.
Thank you.